still shines a shining moon so bright that gives its light above all other lights. From it take light, joy, courtship, and love's delights, and gay solace and beauty and youth's high. And when the light began at lunel to blaze, which illuminates from Toulouse toward Provence's ways, joy and courtship stood in shadow, dark and dun, but now lunel makes both shine like the sun. To good understanders, it means as much as this.